Hey everyone! If you're looking to give your business a serious boost, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share some killer digital marketing hacks that can really set your brand on fire. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about social media. It's not just about posting regularly, it's about posting smart. Always aim to add value. Whether it's a quick tip, a motivational quote, or a behind-the-scenes look at your business, make it something your audience can resonate with. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about connecting. Next up, email marketing. I know it sounds a bit old school, but hear me out. With the right strategy, it's gold. Personalize those emails. Use the data you have on your customers to tailor your messages. People love feeling special, so a personalized email can go a long way. And don't forget to A/B test your subject lines to maximize open rates. Now let's talk SEO. Optimizing your website for search engines can seem daunting, but start with the basics. Make sure your site is fast, mobile-friendly, and packed with useful content targeted at your audience's needs and keywords. And remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is key. Content is king, but distribution is queen, and she wears the pants. It's not enough to create great content. You've got to get it in front of the right eyes. Leverage every platform you can: social media, your website, email newsletters, even other blogs and online communities. Each platform has its own strengths, so play to those. Lastly, never underestimate the power of analytics. Always be testing and learning from your results. What worked, what didn't, and why. Use those insights to inform your future strategies. Remember, every piece of data is a stepping stone to better results. All right, that's a wrap for today. Implement these hacks and watch your business soar. Keep pushing, keep evolving, and most importantly, keep connecting with your audience. Catch you next time.